We know the industry is suffering from subsea controls. We know you, the operator, are tackling these issues head on. We know it's hard to break away from the usual, but trust us, there is a better way.
In breaking news, Proserv's Augmented Controls Technology is changing the way operators in the industry work for the better.
We don't do normal, we innovate, creating opportunities and solving problems you face every day. And this is no different. Our Augmented Controls Technology has been the industry's best kept secret for years, but now, finally, that secret's out. We've pushed boundaries like never before, breaking the shackles that hold you back and redefining what's possible. Quality, agility, reliability. Our solution doesn't hold you back. It's designed to seamlessly coexist with your current systems and customizable for your needs today, but flexible for your growth tomorrow. Stop thinking about replacing what just works. Enhance it, adapt it, and get more from it. This is the breakthrough you've been waiting for. It's a new dawn for subsea controls, and ACT is leading the way. The future isn't just coming, it's already here. Join us, and let's redefine standards together. Are you ready to take control?